You know, I was asleep or, well, trying to sleep. Because, like, how can you sleep when the drone sounds like it's throwing a disco party inside your skull? Anyway, while I was slipping in and out of a few half dreams, I felt something strange. Like something small running over my leg. Yeah, it was a mouse. I swear, a real mouse. Not hallucinations, not a dream. I thought it was just the war and all the mental stress messing with me, but no, His Majesty was very real and fully committed. And me? I jumped up, feeling like I was in a Netflix horror scene. Except this isn't a movie. This is me. In my tent, with a mouse. Since then, I haven't been able to go back to sleep. Not because the mouse came back, he disappeared, but because the buzzing drone decided to put me on system update every 3 seconds mode. Its sound? Inside my brain, inside my dreams, inside my personal chaos. And I told myself, well, since the mouse woke me up and the drone ruined me, might as well go to the bathroom. But wait, the bathroom? Oh yeah, joke of the year. The bathroom is basically a spot outside the tent, next to the nylon, around the corner, behind the iron rod, to the right of the torn flip-flop. And of course, to get there, my mom has to hold the lantern and guide me through the darkness, while a drone watches every breath I take. I mean, every trip to the bathroom feels like an escape scene from an action movie. But without the happy ending, I'm not sad, honestly. I don't even know if my laughter is a natural reaction, or just a defense mechanism, or maybe it's just that the mouse is the only living creature currently sharing life with me. But what I do know, this is my life now. And every time I want to do something simple like sleep or pee, I end up in a dramatic, absurd, dark comedy adventure. But at least, I've got a new story for the next episode.